Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Let's share this month giveaway. I give it the three of you the opportunity to win the October VIP lounge papers. This giveaway I do every month. It's literally my way to say thank you to every single one of you. And yeah, I just give the flavors of sandpaper, part of my subscription that I have on my website. So let's have a look at the VIP lounge papers from the month of October. Now, I have recorded this part of the video when, unfortunately, I had issues with my audio. So I apologize because you will see soon the audio will go on and off and off and off. I'm very sorry about it, but I've got a new camera now, so yeah, it won't happen again. So let me show you the papers now. Okay guys, let me show you the pages. The 3 paper packs, actually 4, because this month I have been extremely generous. Yeah, so you get your usual 3 paper packs plus a little extra this month, but let me show you everything. So the first paper pack is called Poppy's Parade. Poppy Parade is a collection of floral pages full of poppies. The main predominant palettes are red and greens, and there is a bit of gold, like very earthy color. So you got one full background, another background, more like geometrical rather than floral, again with a similar color, so you can use those 2 pages in conjunction. You get another page here with the poppies and the leaves and some stars, and then that's my favorite. You get a full page full of lovely stars, greens and poppies there. So as you can see, you can use those 4 pages. If I put them like that, you can see they have been designed to be used as a mix and match. I love contrast. I love geometric contrast with floral, so I think those are gonna work very, very well. Okay, paper pack number 2 is called And Other Stories. Yes, And Other Stories, because the stories behind this is a story given by the lovely ephemera on the background, and then I put your traditional autumnal sunflowers on the top. Now, these sunflowers, again, the color palette I chose, have designed these sunflowers because I like the contrast with the orange and yellow and the blue. It's pure blue purplish. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think if I put it close to the camera, you probably notice more. But yeah, so that's that. And you've got 4 pages with ephemera. So this is portrait. And you've got these lovely sunflowers there. So if I put it like this, you can see it all. Then you get another page with the sunflowers, and then another page which is predominantly black and white, and then a pop of colour from the sunflowers. Okay, so this is called And Other Stories. And then because October is the month for Halloween, I wanted to treat my VIP members with a kit called Halloween Tarots. So this is a collection of Halloween tarots. There's a lot of characters in here. You get 10 tarots per page, so 10, yeah, you get 14 total. Okay, and everybody's different. So I'm not going to go through one by one, but you can make some tags, you can make some embellishments. Some of this can be used outside your traditional Halloween time, because yeah, there is this trend of floral and skulls that happen for a very long time. So yeah, you can see shadows. I love them. Love, love, love. Oh, where is that lady? I'll show you my favourite. Where is she? Oh, that's it. Sweetie Skelly. I love her. She's so sassy, and I love her. Love her, love, love it. So that's the 3 paper packs. Let me put it here so you guys can see. So you got Poppy Parade, And Other Stories, Halloween Tarots, and then as a gift from me, as a little extra treat, my VIP members for this month will get a collection of vintage ephemera Okay, so this is a collection of labels, tickets, advertisements. So there's two pages jam-packed of this. This can be easily fussy cut, and you can use to decorate a project, or use them more like as an embellishment, I guess. The teeny tiny, although there's quite a lot on a page. And again, the color palette is the same, so it's like cream, pink and greens. So again, you can use the ephemera or your poppy parade, etc. Okay, so this is an extra little gift for this month. And last but not least, as we are carry on with the gift boxes, in October is the letter F. So this is what the letter F looks like. In fact, let me just get rid of this because I don't want you guys can't see it. So this is what the template looks like, and then you fussy cut all these parts and make the gift box. I'll show you the gift box in just a second. There is a private video tutorial that shows you how to put this together as well, so I filmed them separate. And when I send out the papers towards the normally like the 31st of the previous month, so the 31st of September, the guys, all my VIP members will get the paper. So you get a private video that says how you put this together. But let me show you what the gift box looks like. And this is, guys, what the letter F looks like. So this is not my design. This is actually from DJ from Hyder and Yon Studio. We did a video collaboration together, and of course she gave me the permission to use her paper to create the letter F, because I did like this page. So this was my favorite page of her kit, and then she gave me the permission to use it to create the letter F. So in the past, we've done all the letters of the alphabet so far. We've done A, B, C. Let me zoom out a little bit. Done letter D, letter E, which was last month, and now it's letter F. Okay, so after the letters, we will cover all the numbers as well. So yeah, but for now, what can we spell? We can spell face, F-A-C-E. But this is great if you want to make people's name. Do you know, it's a like little gift. That is brilliant. So yeah, so that's letter F.
So guys, to win these digital papers, you just need to leave a comment down below saying what you would do if you won these papers. Just give me some ideas of projects. The 3 winners will be picked randomly using pickawinner.org. So you can leave as many comments as you want, because the more comments you leave, the more chance you have to be selected. But as I said, the only rule is that in the comment you need to specify what you will make with these papers. As to make it a bit more fair, I will pick the winners. If you won with giveaway before in the previous month, if you guys don't mind, I won't include you, because I would like, to give the chance to everybody that watches my videos to win the papers. So yeah, good luck everyone. And then, as I said, if you wish to join, there is a link in the info box in the video, and yeah, that will give you an idea what the papers will look like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've got a Friday freebie coming up in the next couple of days, so it's a very special freebie, so don't forget to tune in on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon. Mwah.